Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can contact the customer service in the Asky application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Contact Us button, and then click on the Contact button, and you have to select a country where you are, and here will be all the information on that specific country and how you can contact them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.